welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 874, walking robot simulations, and we'll try to understand how this problem is going to be solved, right? The very first thing that we will understand the questions and we'll understand how the given examples. Okay, so let's understand with here. So the question is saying that we have a robot which is given on the xy plane that start from the point 0 0 facing north side, right? And the robot receive an integer array commands, right? And it represents a sequence of moves that needs to be executed. So there are only three possible types of instruction that robot can receive. The very first is -2. When -2 is given, right, it means what? It has to move in the left side. Okay, so this is left, this is right, and this is left. Okay, so left, if this is a given point is there, right? If this point is given here, let's suppose here, means from this point you have to move to here in the 90-degree right side, and from here it become the left side, right? Like that we can say. But if I'll talk about this point, right, if I'll talk, this is the left, right, we have to go to the right 90 means this one. If left 90 means from this position you have to go here, because if this is 90, this is your left. Okay, so like that you have to think. Also we have given another value, k value 1 to 9, means if 1 to 9 we have given, which is positive, means 2 3 4 5, like that we have given, right? From 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means you have to move k units. K unit means the given units at a time. Okay, this is what the question is saying. Now it is saying that at some grid squares we have given obstacles, and ith obstacle is at the point xy, xi and yi, we can say that. So if the robot runs into an obstacle, it stay in its current location, or you can see it will pause there, it will not move from there, and we can move on the next command, the given command, right? You have to return the maximum distance through the maximum square distance, and it's a Euclidean distance we can say, and the robot reaches at any point on its path. So let's suppose what it is saying, that let's suppose that if distance is 5, the distance become 25, like that we have to create. This is what we have given, I was talking. So obstacle is at 0 0, it means the robot will ignore the obstacle until it has moved from the origin, and however it is unable to return to 0 0 due to the obstacle. Okay, other thing that we have given is, if let's suppose north means plus direction plus y, east means this, means as you see, this is called east, this is called west, means plus x is east and minus x is west, plus y is north and minus y is south, we can say. Okay, this is what we have given. Now let's try to understand this given example. The very first we have given example is, we have given commands and the obstacles we have given. So commands we have given is 4 -1 and 3, means there is 1 -1, means 1, which direction you have to go? You have to go to the right direction. One right direction is given. When -1 is given, means one right direction. When -2 is given, means one left we have to move 90 degree. So very first, let's suppose that this is what I have designed. So let's suppose that we have given we will create a coordinate system here like this, and the very first thing that it is saying is start from the root 0 0. So we will start from this 0 0. Now we have to move to the fourth point to 0 4. So 0 4 is what? This is the 0 4, means you have to move in north direction, right? So 0 4 is this position, we can say 0 4 here. Now what we need to do, you have given -1. -1 means you have to move to right direction like this. Okay, so you will move right direction. How much you will move? So you have to take the next position 3, means you have to go to this position. So this is called 3, x is 3 and y is already at where? At 4. So this new position become 3 4. It means if this is 3 4, we have to find the distance. How will you find the distance? X square plus y square, right? That is the distance you have to do. Means if you do x square y square, you will get 25, and that is why you are getting the answer 25. Now there is no obstacle there, obstacle was empty. Let's understand the another example where we have the obstacle. So obstacles we have is we have given here is 2 4. Okay, so let's suppose that we have this we have generated the xy plane, right? Xy plane, that is a coordinate system, we can say. So we know that the robot starts from 0 0, means this position we are talking about. Okay, and it will move in the north directions, right? So very first you will start from 0 0. Then it is saying that we have to go the 4 unit, means you will go to this position, means the 4 position you will reach to here. After this we have given -1. -1 means you have to go to the right direction. Right direction, how much unit you will go? 4 unit you will go to the next, means when you will move here, right? So 1 by 1 unit you will go 1 by 1. So when you take the very first 1 unit, right, what you will observe that we have a one step obstacle at where? At 2 4. So you cannot cross this line, so you will stay at here itself, right? You will not move from here. It means you will take the next coordinate. So next coordinate we have given is -2, means command we have -2 means we have to go to the left side. So from here you will go the left direction, like this one. So you will go to the, you will keep going ahead, means this is called left direction, you will go 90 degree. So how much you have to go? You have to go to the 4, right? So you will go 4 more position. So we'll take 1 2 3 4. So you will reach to the 8. So currently it was at 1, so this point become 1 8. So if you take the 1 square and 8 square, you will get 1 and 24 64 is sorry 65, I'm sorry, this become 65. Okay guys, this is nothing but your 65. Okay, and if you see, this is your answer, 65. So this is the thing we have given, and we have to implement this in the Java code. So let's go to the Java code and we'll try to understand how to implement this type of problem. Okay, so very first what you need to do is you will create the line number 2, line number 3. You see we have defined the has multiplier, right? And then you will create the commands, right? And this in the argument, this will be given, right? So from the that, right, you will create a obstacle set where we will store the all the obstacle in hash set for the efficient lookup. And then at line number 8, as you can see, we can create a loop and we will set all the obstacles. Then we have the 4 directions where we have north, east, south, west. From the current position, we know that current position will start from 0 0, and the max distance squared we will find, and the current directions we will find. So what we need to do is we'll go with all the commands given. So very first, if the command line number 20, if you see, what we will do, we'll check if the command is equal to -1, right? We'll go for the turn right. If line number 25 will go, if command is -2, we'll turn left, right? This is what we need to do. So when we move to the commands, right, we'll go for the next direction. So direction is 1 plus you will do, and if for the current directions we have, means current direction plus 3 we will do, right, like that. So we'll keep moving ahead in both conditions and you will take the mode of 4. Then you will move the forward directions and you will calculate the directions from the given direction. So there is 4 possible directions, so we will use the directions. So for each directions, what you need to do, you will get some directions, xy plane, we can say that, right? Means at current position we'll get some direction, and like for the current direction means x and y, we can say plane. So for each steps, right, you have to go one step, right? If the case is not there, like -1 -2, so you will go for the all the steps, given steps. So a step will start from 0, it will go to the command, and step plus plus it will happen. So next x and next y we will find, means line number 34 I'm talking about, 35. And then what we'll do is we'll create 36, and number 36 we'll check, okay, is this all, is this position we have the obstacles? If the obstacles contains this x and y coordinates, it means we will break, we will not do anything else. Okay, it means if we will find the obstacles, we will not continue, we'll break the loop. Means the previous position x and y will stay there and will not create the next position. So we'll come to the line number 39, where we will do what? We'll check if the obstacle is not here, we'll create the new positions and we'll store the next x and next y, right? Then we'll create the maximum distance. You know that current position into current position plus means for the x direction you will do line number 45, current x into x means current position at 0, current position at 0, and for y into y we will do current position at 1 you will do multiply, and the max distance you will keep calculating for each position, each next position, and then you will track the max position. How? Max distance square is equal to max dot max and math dot max, and you will use the, you know how to iterate and track, right? And finally you have tracked all those, so you will return the max distance squared, you will return. This is what we have to do. And for the hash coordinates, you know that we have to create the hashing. So fast lookup, you will use this function as internal function. This is what we have, guys. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, but give a hands-on, try to debug this code into Eclipse or any other editor, IntelliJ, and try to go through one by one, so you will understand. Give a hands out by yourself and do some hands dirty, so you will understand easily. Okay, so that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. I'll try to create logical things into the pages. Means I will create a page where you can get the notes, and I'll talk about more in there also. So you can go through the comment section and you can get the notes. I'll update the notes a little longer. I'll take some time. I will do that. So please subscribe this channel, share with your friends, and if you're new expert Funda, please join the expert Funda channel. If you are struggling with DSA preparation, you can join online classes. If you want to do the development with me, you can join my online classes, and for that you need to connect with me on the WhatsApp. That's all in this video. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.